Jason Fung has taught us that we need to consider fasting, because when you fast, you rest your pancreas in a pretty significant fashion. We also need to be mindful that although your doctor may recommend metformin, which is okay, the reduction in your risk for progressing from borderline diabetes to diabetes is about 31% reduction with metformin. But the good news is that when they do studies, they find that it's a 58% reduction using lifestyle. Even better, if you're over 65, the studies show that it's a 71% reduction in you progressing to diabetes. Now, if you think about that, why would I use a medicine at 31% reduction when I can use a lifestyle change, which is either going to be 58 or 71%? So I just want to emphasize, when you're thinking about insulin resistance, the treatment should be lifestyle before anything else.